This USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter is a game-changer for anyone missing the traditional audio port on their devices. It's a seamless plug-and-play solution that allows you to enjoy your favorite music or movies with your existing 3.5mm headphones, speakers, or car audio system. The multifunctionality, supporting audio and line control, adds convenience, letting you adjust volume and playback effortlessly. The built-in stereo audio chip ensures top-notch sound quality, maintaining clarity and fidelity for an immersive listening experience. Plus, its wide compatibility with various Type-C port devices, think Google Pixel series, Samsung Galaxy lineup, iPads, OnePlus models, and more, makes it a versatile choice. What's more, the copper wire core ensures stable transmission, so you can count on uninterrupted audio. And the 18-month worry-free warranty reflects the manufacturer's confidence in their product. Overall, it's a compact, easy-to-carry accessory that bridges the gap between modern and traditional audio interfaces. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.